Good day, everyone. On today's video, we're going to look at the altcoin market with extended targets for Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and EOS as well. Stay with us. Now on the Ethereum 3-day chart, we did have a breakout of this descending wedge here. And in our last altcoin video, I did have a measured target move from this area and used this area as well, which gave us these two targets, the first being 252 roughly, and the latter of 268. So again, we did have that breakout, but then we had price action, which seemed to be traveling within this ascending channel, which kept me hesitant, but due to it was consolidating near top of the channel, I was fairly confident we were going to break to the upside, which we did receive that confirmation with a big impulsive move. So we could definitely have some overperformance as in crypto. So let's take a look at some further targets. Let's take a look at our extension set up here, and we could see that we have the 0.382, which is close to our target of this 268 area. So we very well could have price action go into this Fibonacci 0.382, maybe wick over it and come back down to retest the bottom of this rectangle, and then see if we could take off and consolidate back on the top and have some more move to the upside. But then again, we're going to have to see how price action handles these measured moves. And if we do have some more consolidation and some bullish patterns compared to a drop off, we could be very well look for some further upside at that point. Could very well lead us to this $300 area. Of course, that psychological level. And if things are looking really good, we could go over to this 330 area or so. But again, the measured move is around this area, tops of around 268, 269. We do have that 0.382. So let's be very happy if price gets there, and we'll see how price action continues to look from that area. But let's go ahead and zoom into the 1 hour to get a little bit more recent price action. And again, we had the ascending channel. We had price consolidating near top. We had the breakout, but then again, the liquidity area, sellers came in, but a very quick recovery retested this channel, and we had a strong impulsive move to the upside. Again, we had a test of this 196.52, which is a very strong area of support and resistance. Would have been a good area to get in if you were looking to. And we had price then catch moving averages on the 9 exponential, and we have continued upside. So with the way things are looking, moving averages here on the 1 hour, they're still moving upward. We are getting a little pullback. Maybe we could even see 207, 202 for some more consolidation to the upside. But as of now, things are looking good. Moving average is strong. Momentum looking nice. Maybe a little pullback, a little cool off on the RSI, but we'll continue to monitor the situation on that. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. And we'll start this one on the 3-day as well to get a good look. And I did have the ascending triangle here we had set up from our last video, and a measured move here, measured from here to there, would bring us to that 78.15, and price action got fairly close to there. Of course, we had some front running and some profit taking, but let's go ahead and see if we have some continued momentum to the upside, which is very well possible. Okay, so we do have the extension set up, and we have the 0.1 right at that level of, the 1 right at that level of the breakout measured move, 78.15. So again, if we do have continued momentum, maybe a little consolidation here on the 618, and then another move to the upside, first level I'd be looking at is this 83 to the 1.618, of course, to around this 85. So we could go ahead and set up something similar that we had before, 83 to 85. Again, let's see how price consolidates here. But as of now, things are looking very good for the altcoin. Again, on the 1 hour, we have holding moving averages very nice on the 9 exponential, holding this volume profile, but we very well could get a pullback to 74, which would be more than okay, and it would be a little nice pullback for some strong consolidation for another move up. But again, as of now, no reason to believe things should be slowing down from here. Let's go ahead and look at XRP now, and we'll take a look at the 3-day as well. Get a good zoom out. And on this chart, I believe I do have the modified shift pitchfork set up here. For whatever reason, just always looking at different charts with tools. So again, 3 pivot points. I have one set up here to the high and then to the low. And again, following price action, very nice. So we do have 2 very strong levels down here of horizontal resistance support of 25 and of 29 cents. So we did have XRP hold that 25-cent horizontal support very well. In the Discord, with the way things were looking, I said I believe we're going to get to around the 28 area. And when we do, if we do break the medium trade line here, I want to see how things look from that point. But I was expecting we get to this trading line. We had a good impulsive move above that. And again, we had a rejection, which is understandable at this 29-cent area, very strong support resistance. So again, a very good pullback, and we could see pullback right on that area, 29, and on the moving average now, we could very well just consolidate and continue moving. But main thing is we don't want to lose this red medium trade line here of around 27.5. So you don't want to lose that area, but again, things are looking good. We are pulling back maybe a little bit, which again is fine. Maybe we retest the top of this medium red trading line here, get a little consolidation for further move up. Because again, with the way the alts are looking, Ethereum strong breakout with strong volume, no reason to believe that things should be slowing down at this point. Let's go ahead and look at EOS. We'll take a look at that, and just bear with me, and we'll start this one on the 3-day as well. And I do have the Fibonacci extension already set up. 3 pivot points here. And again, we had our first target of 4.2, roughly, if I remember. Okay, that was met, and we had some strong volume profile there. So again, expected pullback. We had a very good run on all ends. Nothing could go up forever. Get some strong consolidation for another move up. So the next area I'm looking at is 4.3426. And again, if we have some further movement up, we could get above this 4.3426, get some consolidation up here. We do have some low volume profile market acceptance, so price action could very well move very quick through that area. Okay, so I'd be looking at right around the $5 mark psychological. We have some strong volume profile here, so we could maybe get up to this area, consolidate for another move if we're bullish. But again, I would just be looking at this point for the $5 area, maybe a little pullback there, but things are looking good to, I believe we're going to make it to the 5.75 area. So again, just to have a point of reference, I'd be looking somewhere in this area. And again, we'll see if price action, how it reacts in this area to make any further decisions for the next position. Because if we get into the 1 hour here, we could see fairly clear how my thinking was when I did jump into my position finally. We did have this rising channel, which of course led me hesitant for good reason, right? They're known to break down, which they did. But here was something that caused me to pay attention. We had the 200 moving average, which price did not fail to. It held the volume profile here. So again, caused me to pay extra attention. We had that bullish momentum impulse to the upside, right? So where I did jump in my position was around the 3.85 area with a 3x leverage. Nice thing about leverage, you could always, once you do get confirmation, go in with leverage to catch up for any failed time. So we did have some nice consolidation here. Price catching moving averages for more upside. Again, getting to our 4.20 target. Again, profit taking and just a strong area of resistance. So normal pullback, get some more consolidation. Hopefully look for some more upside because again, ETH strong breakout. No reason to believe at this point things will be slowing down. And with that all said for today, I'm going to go ahead and leave the video there. I wish everyone well. Good luck in all your trades. For any updates between videos, check out the Discord. And thank you for tuning into the tavern.